Welcome to AI Hub Prompt, where artificial intelligence could difference. Simple, practical, powerful. This is AI Hub Prompt.
What if I told you you could save thousands of dollars on your car just by using a few free AI tools on your phone? No mechanic degree, no expensive software, just you, your car, and artificial intelligence. In this video, I am going to show you 5 free AI tools that every car owner needs to know about in 2024. Whether you are buying a used car, trying to fix a problem, or just want to stop getting ripped off at the dealership, these tools will change the way you think about your vehicle. Stay till the end, because tool number 5 is the one most people have never heard of, and it could literally save you hundreds of dollars this year. Before we get into it, if you are new here, this channel is all about using AI tools to make your life easier. We cover everything from cars, to money, to productivity. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. Now, let's talk about cars. The average American spends over $1,200 a year on car repairs. A lot of that money goes to problems you could have diagnosed yourself, and in 2024, AI has made that easier than ever. Let's get into the 5 tools. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Yes, the AI chatbot, but not the way most people use it. Here is what you do. You open ChatGPT, completely free, and you type in exactly what your car is doing wrong. Not just, my car is making a noise. You describe it like this. My 2018 Toyota Camry is making a grinding noise when I brake at speeds above 40 miles per hour. It gets louder when I turn left. What could be causing this? ChatGPT will give you a detailed breakdown, the most likely causes, which ones are dangerous, and which ones you can fix yourself. I tested this with a real problem, and it gave me the same answer my mechanic did, for free. The key is to be specific. Mention your car's year, make, model, the exact symptom, and when it happens. The more detail you give, the better the answer. You can also ask it, how much should this repair cost? And what questions should I ask my mechanic before I agree to this repair? This alone will stop you from getting overcharged. Tool number 2, AI-powered OBD2 apps. You know that check engine light that comes on and ruins your whole day. In the old days, you had to drive to AutoZone and hope someone would scan it for free. Now, there is a better way. Get a cheap Bluetooth OBD2 dongle. They cost about $10 to $15 on Amazon. Then download an app called Car Scanner Elm OBD2, free, on both iPhone and Android. Plug the dongle into your car's OBD2 port. It is usually under the dashboard on the driver's side. Connect via Bluetooth, and the app reads every error code your car has. Then it explains in plain English what each code means. But here is where AI comes in. Copy that error code. Let's say it is P0420. Paste it into ChatGPT and ask, my car has error code P0420. What does this mean? Is it safe to drive, and what is the cheapest fix? That combination, the scanner plus AI, is more powerful than most mechanics will admit. Tool number 3, using AI when buying a used car. This one has saved people thousands. When you are looking at a used car listing, copy the full description and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ask, here is a used car listing. What red flags should I look for? What questions should I ask the seller? And is this price fair for this year in mileage? ChatGPT will immediately point out things most buyers miss. Things like high mileage for the year, missing service history, vague descriptions that hide problems. You can also use a free tool called vehiclehistory.com. Enter the VIN number and get a basic history report for free. Then paste that report into Claude AI, that is another free AI, and ask it to summarize the risks. Doing this before you buy any used car takes 10 minutes and could save you from a very expensive mistake. Tool number 4, personalized maintenance schedule with AI. Most car owners either ignore maintenance or over-maintain their car because they don't know when things actually need to be done. Here is a simple ChatGPT prompt. Type, create a complete maintenance schedule for your car year. make, model with mileage miles. Include oil changes, tire rotation, brake inspection, filters, and fluids. Tell me what I can DIY and what needs a mechanic. You'll get a fully customized checklist. Print it out. Put it in your glove box. Your car will last longer, and you'll never pay for unnecessary maintenance again. You can even ask, what are the most common problems with this exact car model, and how do I prevent them? That is like having a mechanic on call for free. Tool number 5, and this is the one most people don't know about. You can use AI to negotiate your car insurance and potentially save hundreds of dollars per year. Here is what you do. Take your current insurance policy, just the summary page, and tell ChatGPT, here is my car insurance policy. Am I overinsured for my situation? What coverage can I safely reduce? And what should I say to my insurance company to lower my premium? ChatGPT will analyze your coverage and give you an actual script to use when you call your insurance company. Real people have reported saving $200 to $600 per year just by making one phone call using AI-generated talking points. You can also ask it to compare quotes, paste 2 different insurance quotes, and ask which one gives better value for your specific situation. Quick pause. If you are finding this helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it really helps this channel grow. Also, I am putting the exact ChatGPT prompts I used in this video, pinned in the comments below. Go grab those. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools that every car owner needs to know about. ChatGPT for diagnosis, OBD2 apps for error codes, AI for buying used cars, personalized maintenance schedules, and AI-powered insurance negotiation. The best part, all of this is completely free. You don't need to be a car expert. You just need to know the right questions to ask. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Next day, I am covering on AI tools.